Leetcode Daily Challenge. Today is 4th of October 2025. The problem today is a medium one, number 11, container with most water. So this is a two-pointer problem. Two pointers. And it is pretty similar to the one we just had yesterday, which is also a trapping water problem, where we have to calculate the volume of trapped water. Let's check these two. So let's use a similar approach for this problem today. There will be two key points. First, set up a boundary. Second, going inward. So those are the two key points. First, we want to set up the boundary, which will be number 0 and n minus 1. Second, we're gonna go through all the other containers inwards. Well, we will also update the boundary at the same time. So after go through all the possible answers, of course, we would have already found the one that contains the most water. So to be specific, first we start with boundary 0 and n minus 1. Then we use the two pointers, say left and right, to update the boundary. Regarding the maximum result, we can always start with any value, then replace it with any bigger ones.